My name is Vimal Kumar, and I explain the project. I will be walking you through my end-to-end workflow for the prospect search engine task. This flow automates the process of identifying and scoring the ideal company prospects using multiple data sources like Apollo, Crunchbase, BuiltWith, and SerpAPI. Let's start by look at my end-to-end workflow. The workflow about beginning with webhook node that accept ICP ideal customer profile and inputs such as industry, geography, revenue range, and tech stack reference. For from there, uh, the data is passing into several API, integrate nodes specifically, and the Apollo node to fetch company and company and contact data, Crunchbase node to enrich company information, and funding the revenue data, build with node to extract technology stack and information, SARP API node to detect the recent hiring activity, recent hiring जो हम activity करते हैं, and the second thing to explain the data processing and merging. So after fetching the data from different API, I use the function node to normalize and merge the result. This step remove duplicate using domain normalization and fuzzy matching, ensuring that each company appear only once, even if it founds each company. If found multiple sources, I also calculate the confidence score based on the industry matches, funding stage, hiring signal, and tech stack overlap. And the second thing, the output and testing. Once the scoring is complete, the result is sending to HTTP response node and optionally stored in Google Sheet and Airtable for later analysis. Let's see in the action. Here I trigger that webhook with a sample ICP targeting the B2B software company in USA that use AWS or Snowflake, and as the workflow run, you can see that fetching from each API, normalized, deduplicated, and finally the score the list prospect written in the JSON format. Yeah, JSON format. I choose end-to-end for this project because it's allowed visually orchestration of multiple API calls and makes debugging much easier. The modular design means each data source can be enabled and disabled independently, and the function node encapsulated all business logic. The fuzzy deduplicate and scoring logic mirror the same logic using the Python based prospect search agent. To summarize, this all end-to-end workflow automatically discover, enrich, and rank potential prospects using multiple API